stars make you drool just like Past'e Fasool. That's amore. Past'e Fasool. That was my dad's favourite thing to eat. Pasta with cannellini beans, and as a special treat my mum would make it with fresh homemade pasta sometimes. And I thought it'd be really good to make it this week with my mum. Here it is. You'll need about 80 grams of diced pancetta and 2 cloves of garlic sliced thinly. Put them in a pan with a good measure of olive oil and let that sizzle away until it's nice and crispy. Then add in a whole can of cannellini beans, including all the juice, and then fill that can up with water and pour that in too. Add a potato that's been peeled and diced up, and a good spoonful of either passata or some leftover pasta sauce. Give it a good stir, season it well with salt and pepper, and then add some chopped parsley. And then just let that simmer away until the potato and the beans have become nice and tender. We've made some fresh pasta with 3 large eggs and 300 grams of Typo flour. And here Mum doesn't need a pasta machine. She rolled out the pasta sheet really thinly, and then you flour it well, roll it up, and then slice it, and then shake it out to make beautiful tagliatelle. Add a bit more boiling water if you think it needs it, then let it simmer away for about 10 minutes. Add some grated Parmesan cheese for flavour, and then serve it and enjoy.